AKINSOFT WOLVOX 8 mass stock transaction. If you watched our stock input-output transaction video, you could enter those transactions only for one stock. However, you may want to enter input and output transactions for more than one stock on a single screen. For this purpose, you can use mass stock transactions in WOLVOX 8. For this, click the Mass Stock Transaction button from the Operations list in the Stock Management menu. First of all, let's talk about the buttons you can use for this screen in the upper right part of the screen that opens. There is a Shortcuts button where you can see and edit the shortcuts you can use on the screen. A Copy button that you can use to copy the data in any cell to other cells in the column, and a Process Transaction button that you need to use after the transaction is finished. At the same time, you can use the Excel button at the top right to transfer your data on Excel to this field. If your products have barcodes, you can find your product by scanning the barcode, or you can select your products by clicking the Find Stock button on the top right and continue the process. You can specify whether the inventory in the row is input or output from the operation type column. In this way, you can enter both your input and output operations in bulk from a single screen. After data entry, you must click on the Process Transaction button after clicking the Save button to process the products into the inventory, and you can click the Yes button to end the process.